What is my rapping gang? Let's talk about the levels that there are to life and the levels that there are to music, and why you may be hindered, or why your network's not big enough, why things may be holding you back. But I'm gonna make you feel a lot better because I want you to understand and look at things differently. Why are you here? They're here, right? It's not just the work. There's other things involved. So let's talk about that. Okay, you're gonna feel better when you don't have all the things you want. You're gonna feel much better after watching this video. All right. So in a previous video, I spoke about how the guy walked to me in the street in LA, and I don't network with people. Everybody's so fake in LA, right? Bing bong. And I wanted to speak about how it was interesting that he even thought that he could network with me, or that I would want to network with him, when, you know what I'm saying, it just didn't make sense. It was name dropping so much, and it's like, but like, why would I care? No offense to him, but like, I don't know you, and you can network with people, but like, there's levels to this. And I want to explain this without sounding like an asshole. When you're starting out, if you are gonna network, you don't need to be name dropping. Just take the things that you know you can do for somebody, think about your skill sets. What can I do for somebody? Trade those skill sets, right? Get in groups, and then, you know, you reach up to the next level, people that are slightly above you, but you got to realize that there are levels to this, okay? Right? I spent my whole life building myself to be a better person and leveling up. That's where Rob Level comes from. I'm consistently growing as a person to better myself. That's why my name is Rob Level. That's why I decided on that name. My original artist name was Novi Novak, and Novi means new. I became a new Novak. When I changed my rap name from before that, I became a new Novak. I was growing and becoming a person that was a better version of myself. And then I swapped to Rob Level because Novi Novak, number one, people thought I was from Serbia. They just thought I was foreign because the name looks like it's from a different country. That was really bad for branding. And I went to Rob Level because it's the same thing as Novi Novak, because it's an easy to remember, very brandable name, okay? You're not gonna forget it, okay? It's the same thing, Rob Level. I'm always growing. My name alone lets you know, look, I'm all about this. And a lot of other people are all about it too, and they work to get there. Now you gotta show that you're all about it. You gotta put the work in. You gotta take yourself to the next level, and then it's gonna be easier, because if I know who you are and I see you, I'm like, oh man, hey, what's up, bro, blah, blah. Oh yeah, what's up? Because you kind of know each other. Why? Because you're both somebodies, okay? We all start as nobodies, man. Hope this doesn't offend anybody, doesn't sound douchey. I'm just saying, like, just be smart about how you do it. Yes, sir. Start at this level. Don't be fake. You're gonna be a good person. People are gonna know you as a good person. They're gonna know you trustable. I'm gonna tell you now, you network from people that you meet here, whatever you meet them at, if they trust you, 5 years from now, that person is in your network, it's very powerful. He ain't lying. Trust me, because I've watched other people do it. I don't, but I'm like, oh, this guy knows, barely knows him, but he met him and he networked with him, right? So, but you start at the low level. There's nothing wrong with that, because it builds. That person grows. They become somebody as you become somebody, and you can then work together, right? Because you're at that level. But when you're starting year one, you're probably around with year one people. I'm at year 15. You can't just expect to jump up to this level. You know what I'm saying? So it's to be expected. I can't just go get in a room with Mark Cuban. Different level, but he's been at it for 50 years. You get me? We're all at a certain level. It's just how it is. Like, what you play games, what level's your Pokemon on? Why is it at that level? Because you played it much more than I did. You put in more work into it, okay? That's what's gonna determine your level. How much work are you putting in? Yeah. How much time into the work? That's what's gonna determine your level. Bing bong. Period. There's a reason, you know what I'm saying? Why is the guy in the gym bigger than me? He went to the gym more. Period. That's that, you know what I'm saying? You be like, oh, steroids. No, but also, you can do steroids, bro. Huh? You still gotta go to the gym. It just makes the growing easier and faster and more sustainable. Either way, you know what I'm saying? Natural, to say something's all natural, it don't matter. Look, you gotta put the work in. It don't matter. Genetics too, don't even start so many things, but you get what I'm saying, okay? So I'm just letting you know that, right? Grow your level, you know, and don't differentiate yourself or feel like you're not as good as somebody because right now you haven't became somebody, you know, of that caliber. It takes the time, and you already knew it took that time. But when it comes to the networking, same thing. If you DM somebody, they don't respond, don't cry about it. It's okay. They're gonna know one day, right? They're gonna know and then suddenly be like, oh man, oh shoot, I didn't realize you DM'd me back then, man, which happened a bunch of times. I'm not gonna name drop on some people you know anyway when they come to me asking me for stuff. But eventually you'll be at a point where they're gonna reach out to you, okay? Or if you do reach out, you're like, hey man, I reached out in like 2013, bro. Like, what's, like, you know what I'm saying? Hey, just hitting you up now. Now I know you know who I am. There's levels. It takes time. Put the work in. That's all I'm saying. Hope this was motivating. And hope this inspired you in some way. Do not be down on yourself. We all start somewhere. That's the point. We all start as nobodies, okay? You had to build yourself. Put the time in, right? Keep hustling, underdog. I'm Rob Level. Is a smart rapper. I'll see you at the top.
Pockets already fat, I ain't gotta fudge the numbers. Could've made it, then I put in 2 extra summers. So high up now, all I see is buzzers. I even step outside. We got a jumper. I ain't even had to type him up. Shooting for the biggest in the game, out of 300. So smart, I can't even try to be dumb. If I give you my numbers, probably missing the number. Oh, you wanna hate on me, we'll get in line. I'll be fine. People treating me like working all the crime out of time. I'm like, why you even mind? You got no mind, do you mind? That's why love and trust in me so deep that shit get hard to find.